A collision with a large truck can have significant and lasting consequences. Understanding the types of compensation you might be entitled to can provide clarity during a challenging time. The goal of a personal injury claim following a truck accident is to make you whole again as much as legally and financially possible by covering the losses you incurred due to the negligence of another party. Here's a breakdown of the types of compensation you might expect. Number 1. Economic damages, tangible losses. These are the quantifiable financial losses you've experienced. Medical expenses. This includes all costs related to your injuries, such as emergency room visits, doctor's appointments, surgeries, physical therapy, prescription medications, and assistive devices. It can also cover future medical care you are reasonably expected to need. Lost wages. If your injuries have prevented you from working, you can seek compensation for the income you've lost, both in the past and what you are projected to lose in the future due to your injuries. Property damage. This covers the cost to repair or replace your vehicle or any other personal property damaged in the accident. Other out-of-pocket expenses. This can include things like transportation costs to medical appointments, home modifications needed due to your injuries, and the cost to hiring help for tasks you can no longer perform. Number 2. Non-economic damages. Intangible losses. These damages address the more subjective ways your life has been affected by the accident. Pain and suffering. This compensates you for the physical pain and emotional distress you've endured due to your injuries. This is often calculated based on the severity of your injuries and the impact they have had on your life. Emotional distress. This can include anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and other psychological effects resulting from the accident. Loss of consortium. In some cases, a spouse may be able to claim for the loss of companionship, intimacy, and support due to the injuries of their partner. Loss of enjoyment of life. If your injuries prevent you from participating in activities you once enjoyed, you may be compensated for this loss. The process in a nutshell. Investigation. After the accident, an investigation will likely occur to determine who was at fault. This might involve police reports, witness statements, accident reconstruction experts, and review of the truck's data recorders. Filing a claim. Once fault is established or reasonably suspected, a claim is typically filed with the insurance company of the at-fault party, often the trucking company or the truck driver. Negotiation. The insurance company will likely investigate the claim and may offer a settlement. This is where having legal representation can be crucial, as an attorney can negotiate on your behalf to ensure a fair settlement. Lawsuit if necessary. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiation, it may be necessary to file a lawsuit to pursue compensation through the court system. Trial. Potentially, if the lawsuit proceeds, it may eventually go to trial where a judge or jury will decide the outcome. However, many cases are settled out of court even after a lawsuit has been filed. A helpful tip. Document everything meticulously. Keep detailed records of all your medical treatments, expenses, lost income, and any way the accident has impacted your daily life. This documentation will be crucial in supporting your claim for compensation. Remember, each truck accident case is unique, and the specific compensation you can expect will depend on the details of your situation, the severity of your injuries, and the applicable laws in your jurisdiction. Consulting with an experienced personal injury attorney specializing in truck accidents is highly recommended to understand your rights and options.